Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the App Podcast, and today we're going to take a look at Alpha Burp, which lets you create, when you were a kid and you burped out words or sentences. Well, now you can do that with your iPhone. I've lost that talent now that I'm older. I don't know how I used to pull that off as a kid. Maybe it's some combination of Diet Pepsi and too much time on my hands or something like that. But basically, this app lets you select a type of burp, and then you just record your normal voice into the app, and then it plays back some sort of a burp. And then, of course, you could use your own burp to power this as well. So let's click on a on a type of burp, and let's record something. Hey, thanks for checking out the App Podcast. So you're probably going to have to mess with this app a little bit just to get it perfect, because if you just kind of speak into it and you're too loud, then it kind of sounds a little staticky. So there's probably better ways to actually say your words than to just say it as a full sentence like that, how you normally would speak it. You may want to try and speak it as if you were burping, and then, let the app do its job. So it's basically, it's a pretty simple app as far as its functionality, and it's just kind of like one of those jokester apps. It's just something fun to play with. It's not necessarily meant to be taken too seriously, but it's one of those apps that you can use to mess with people or mock them or something like that, or even just as an app that kind of changes your voice, so when you're talking to somebody you can, kind of try and fool them. So Alpha Burp is it's inexpensive, and it's just a fun way to kind of, relive your childhood of, creating sentences while burping, because if you're like me, you can't pull that off anymore for whatever reason. Yeah, I don't know, maybe puberty has something to do with it. I don't know. I don't remember ever being able to do that after the age of like 12 or something like that. So that's my only logical explanation for my lack of being able to burp out sentences. But I could be wrong. So that's going to do it for the review of Alpha Burp. GoDaddy.com. If you are extremely talented in burping stuff out, maybe you want to create a website, and GoDaddy.com can help you get the things that you need in order to do that. You can get your domain name, your web hosting, you could set up a blog and get your email and all that stuff set up over at GoDaddy, and save 10% when you do that by using the coupon code iPhone when you check out, and that also helps support us over here at the App Podcast. So that's going to do it for today. Take care, and we'll see you next time.